I wanted to show you a little bit of where I'll be coming to you from during our virtual forest bathing experience. I'm going to turn the camera around. So I live on the west coast of British Columbia in Canada, and I'm very lucky because I have the ocean around me and I have some old growth forest actually, as well as arbutus trees, which are quite spectacular and very unusual. But coastal British Columbia rainforest consists, or temperate rainforest can consist of arbutus trees, especially on the southern Gulf Islands and southern Vancouver Island. And I just have this diversity around me that I love sharing with people. So if you come on a virtual forest bathing experience with me, we'll spend an hour and a half where I will be in nature on Zoom, and you can be wherever you are. You could be at home in your apartment, you could be on a balcony. It doesn't matter because I will guide you for an hour and a half through some invitations to help you connect to nature with all of your senses. So I hope you can join me virtually.